transport machine industrial wireless remote control, making your production more efficient and safe. The traditional remote control for transport aircraft requires manual operation, is prone to errors, and is inefficient. And the industrial wireless remote control, using wireless communication technology, ubiquitous electromagnetic radiation also greatly reduces the health risks of workers. The industrial wireless remote control also has self-learning function, which can automatically identify target devices without the need for tedious settings. At the same time, it also has an ultra-long remote control distance, supporting simultaneous control of multiple devices, making your production more efficient.